In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tattoos using AI in Photoshop. If you've ever found yourself wanting to edit out a tattoo from a photo, but weren't quite sure how to seamlessly do it, this guide is just what you need. Let's dive in and see how you can leverage the power of Photoshop to transform your image effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to open up Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from Adobe's official website. Once you've got Photoshop open, we'll be working with an image that you want to edit. Make sure that the image is at a resolution that's manageable for you. Around 300 dpi is usually ideal for clarity without making your computer lag. This helps maintain the quality of the image as you make edits, ensuring a cleaner final product and avoiding any pixelation or loss of detail. Once your image is ready and open in Photoshop, the next step is to make a selection of the tattoo you want to remove. Photoshop offers a variety of selection tools you can use, such as the lasso tool, the quick selection tool, or even the magic wand tool. Each of these tools has its own advantages, so feel free to choose whichever you find easiest or most precise for this particular image. Take your time, ensuring the selection hugs the edges of the tattoo as closely as possible. A precise selection will lead to a better result. After you have your tattoo selected, it's time for the magic to happen. Right-click within the selection. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. Without leaving the area of the tattoo that you've selected, find and click on the option labeled Fill. This will bring up a dialog box. In this box, you'll see an option called Content Aware Fill. This is one of Photoshop's most powerful features and will work as the backbone of this tattoo removal process. Ensure that Content Aware is selected from the drop-down menu before you proceed. When you hit OK, Photoshop's AI will analyze the surrounding pixels and seamlessly blend them to cover up the tattoo. Depending on the complexity and size of the tattoo, this might take a few moments. Once Photoshop has done its work, zoom in and examine the edited area closely to ensure that the result meets your satisfaction. You may want to touch it up with the Spot Healing Brush tool for added precision. And there you have it, a tattoo-free image, all thanks to Adobe Photoshop's AI capabilities. This method is perfect for those times when you want to experiment with different looks or situations where a tattoo might distract from the main subject of your photo. Remember to save your work before closing Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy editing.